Meistertask tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Meistertask. Meistertask is the ultimate tool for efficient task management and project collaboration. Whether you're an individual seeking personal organization or a part of a team working together on complex projects, Meistertask has got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll take you step by step through the key features and functionalities of Meistertask, empowering you to maximize your productivity and streamline your workflow. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Meistertask, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice two options to create a new account. You can choose to sign up with either your Google account or your email address. Select the option that aligns with your preferences and click on it to proceed. After choosing your preferred sign-up method, you'll be prompted to provide the necessary information to create your account. If you opted for the Google sign-up option, you may need to authenticate your Google account. If you chose the email sign-up option, you'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password. Once you've successfully completed the sign-up process, you'll be directed to your Meistertask account dashboard. This is where you can start managing your tasks, projects, and collaborations effectively. The Meistertask dashboard provides a simple, attractive, and user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate. Upon logging in, you'll find the dashboard with its various features and options. The left panel of the interface contains essential options such as dashboard, agenda, and projects. The dashboard is the default landing page when you log into your account. Here you will see your tasks and checklists displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. You also have the option to add a checklist to further organize your tasks. At the bottom left side of the dashboard, you will find a quote and a welcome section, accompanied by a clock displaying the current time. One of the great features of Meistertask is the ability to customize your dashboard. By clicking on the Customize button located at the top left side of your dashboard, you can personalize the background and choose which widgets you want to see. You can also toggle the visibility of the quote and welcome section according to your preference. Another important feature of the Meistertask dashboard is the agenda. It is a customizable personal board where you can pin tasks from any project. The agenda allows you to work on multiple projects simultaneously while keeping an overview of your tasks and priorities. Under the Projects tab, you will find a list format displaying all of your projects. Here you can switch between different projects, such as active projects, archived projects, and deleted projects by clicking on the three dots next to the Project tab. Additionally, you have the option to add a new project by clicking on the plus sign, enabling you to easily organize and manage your various projects within Meistertask. In addition to the left menu, the top right-hand side of the Meistertask account interface provides various options to enhance your task management experience. The Add Task button is prominently displayed and allows you to quickly create a new task. This feature enables you to capture and add tasks efficiently as they come to mind. My Tasks displays all the checklists you are currently working on. This section helps you easily access and manage your ongoing tasks, ensuring you stay organized and focused. The notification feature enables you to stay updated on any unread notifications related to your tasks or collaborations. It ensures you never miss important updates or changes within your projects. Under My Team, you have the ability to manage your team if you are part of a collaborative workspace. This section allows you to view the members of your team and provides options to add new members. It facilitates smooth communication and coordination among team members. The search function is a valuable tool that allows you to search for specific tasks across your entire Meistertask account. This feature helps you locate tasks quickly, even if they are stored in different projects or checklists. If you need any assistance or have questions, the Help option provides access to the Help Center. It serves as a valuable resource where you can find keyboard shortcuts, what's new, and more. The Product Switcher is a convenient feature that allows you to switch between different products offered by Meistertask. This includes Meistertask itself, MindMeister, and MeisterNote. This versatility enables you to seamlessly switch between different tools based on your specific needs. Finally, the Account section gives you access to manage your account settings, preferences, and team-related configurations. It provides a centralized location to update personal information, adjust preferences, and make any necessary changes to your account. Now, let's see how to create a new project in Meistertask. Creating a new project in Meistertask is a straightforward process. To begin, navigate to the left menu and locate the plus sign next to the Projects tab. Clicking on this plus sign will trigger a pop-up window with three options: New Project Group, and Import. Since our aim is to create a new project, we will select the plus new project option. Upon selecting this option, another pop-up window will appear. Here you will be prompted to enter the project name in the designated name field and provide a project description in the description field located below the project name field. Additionally, there is an option to set the project as private, but please note that this feature may only be available to paid users. If you wish to keep the project private, you can toggle this option accordingly. After entering the project name and description, click on the Create Project button to finalize the creation of the new project. Once you click this button, the new project will be created within your Meistertask account. Upon successfully creating the project, you will notice that it is divided into sections. By default, these sections are categorized as Open, In Progress, and Done, providing a visual representation of the project's progress. If desired, you can add additional sections to further organize your project. To create a new section, simply click on the plus Add Section button, enter the desired section name, and it will be added to the project interface. On the right-hand side of the project interface, you will find various options specific to the project you have created. These options include the ability to view project activity and apply filters to streamline your view. You can also assign the project to specific team members within your Meistertask workspace and invite them to collaborate on the project. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create a new project in Meistertask, organize it into sections, and configure the necessary settings for effective project management. Next, let's see how to add tasks to the project in Meistertask. Adding tasks to a project in Meistertask is a simple process. To begin, locate the plus sign at the top right-hand side of the account interface and click on it. This action will prompt a pop-up window to appear. In the pop-up window, enter the task title in the designated task title field. Then choose the project to which you want to add the task from the Project drop-down menu. Once you have selected the project, proceed to select the status of the task from the Section drop-down menu. You can choose between Open, In Progress, and Done depending on the current stage of the task. After selecting the project and section for the task, click on the Create Task button. Another pop-up window will appear, providing you with the option to enter additional details about the task. Here you can add a description to provide more context, create a checklist with specific attachments, and attach relevant files or documents. Furthermore, you have the ability to pin the task to prioritize it, set a due date to ensure timely completion, add tags to categorize the task, and include watchers who will be notified of any updates or changes to the task. Once you have filled in all the necessary fields, click on the Exit button to finalize the task creation. It is important to note that your task will be automatically saved. The task will now be created and can be found within the project you added it to. Additionally, it will be placed in the section within the project that you specified during the task creation process. This organization ensures that your tasks are properly categorized and easily accessible within the project structure. By following these steps, you can efficiently add tasks to your projects in Meistertask, providing clarity, structure, and effective task management within your workflow. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Meistertask. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. We hope you found this guide helpful in getting started with this powerful task management tool. With Meistertask, you can effectively organize your tasks, collaborate seamlessly with your team, and stay on top of your projects like never before. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.